Hello, this is RunningRobert, and today we're going to be talking about the Palatin Technologies PTN quarterly summary for the 2nd of October 2023, in which we're going to be looking at the bullish and the bearish parts of the quarterly report that just came out, and looking forward to the Melody 1 data that will be coming out this quarter. So I generally follow small cap pharma. I also do indie video games. So if you like what I'm doing, hey, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and thank you. Disclaimer is I do own stock in the company. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed up by your own due diligence. And any information given is valid for today, the 2nd of October, and the slideshow will not be updated. Obviously, when they get new script information and Melody 1 data, I will have a new slideshow for that. So, the highlights from the report. So, Vyleesi sales were up again for the 6th straight quarter, earning a net revenue of $1.8 million. The company has actually stated in this report they're again looking for a partner, and they made mention of a deal in the 4th quarter of 2023. I'm a little wary of that. We've heard this song and dance before. I almost prefer they not partner, but we'll see what someone can bring to the table. Vyleesi, they are starting a Vyleesi phase 2 trial for ED, that's erectile dysfunction, for the 4th quarter of 2023. So that's again something very unique that they're going to bring forward using Vyleesi. We also have the Vyleesi data for the first half for 2024 for the diabetic kidney cancer. We have PL8177 data in the first quarter of 2024. And of course, we are waiting for that Melody 1 data. And they said they're expecting it late 4th quarter. So I'm thinking December, somewhere in there. And that's going to be probably the company saving or the company killing kind of data. So the cash at the end of the 2nd quarter, the company had a little more than 11 million in cash. The company's net loss was 10.7 million in the last quarter. So you can see we have a quarter left of cash. So cash will make it to year's end. And that's when you get the Melody 1 data. I will be talking about the Melody 1 data all the time because that is very important. The company is expected to do a dilution after data. Obviously, you see they will have almost no money left. Even if they are good, they're still, maybe $1 million or $2 million at the end of the year. So they will definitely need to do a dilution. So overall, what am I happy with? So of course, the net revenue of 1.8 is pretty good. I expect it to be about 2 million by the end of the year. However, I do expect it to be about 2.5 to 3.5 by the end of year next year per quarter. So again, they're just continuing to take good chunks of revenue off. You got to be super happy that they're, going to be making almost $8 million of positive cash. That's helping, of course, everything that they're doing. Pretty positive. And the company seems to have a huge amount of faith in Melody 1. They said they will be looking to partner afterwards. Again, this is something that we're looking at. They are literally probably rolling the dice on it for this. Because I don't know of another company who say, hey, we're going to run out of money and get data at the same point. Obviously, if that data is negative, the company is going to have, we're talking, penny stock off the NASDAQ, all that fun stuff. And then, of course, with all the data they collected, that they're looking to expand what they use Vyleesi for. Drug is considered safe, and we're now getting another 3rd indication for it that they're going to be testing for. That's very important. And I think obviously, you look at the data that you're collecting in from patients. So a lot of the stuff, I feel like it's going to be a better chance of success. What I'm not happy with, well, the cash situation. Again, ride or die with the data. That's really all we need to think about. We are looking at either 100% gains or 90% losses. Nothing in between. We do need movement with the partner situation. We have, like I said, all of a sudden they're going to repartner Vyleesi. Why haven't they partnered Melody 1 or that data beforehand? Again, that's a lot of things that we need to look at. Focus. This company lacks focus. So I do like them starting new trials, but let's focus on getting ones completed. If you have looked at if you've been with me a while and you looked at previous data or previous slides, the trials have always gotten pushed back, which means, of course, delay, which is all we seem to get. And that's kind of where we're sitting. So, the summary is we are going to wait for new script numbers and Melody 1 data. And currently with the market cap at 17 million, any partnerships or any positive data will rocket the stock. So like I said, we're looking at probably either, 90% decrease, 100% gains. It's pretty simple from that respect. So we'll see how it goes. So thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.